Unlocking English. Deciphering Relative Pronouns. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the world of English grammar, particularly focusing on relative pronouns. These might seem a little tricky, but don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have a firm grasp on them. In English, relative pronouns are used to introduce adjective clauses, also known as relative clauses. These clauses provide additional information about a noun, making our sentences richer and more detailed. The most common relative pronouns are who, whom, whose, which, and that. Let's start with who, whom, and whose. These pronouns are used when we are referring to people. Who is used as the subject of a clause. For instance, the woman who called yesterday is my aunt. Whom is used as the object of a clause. An example could be, the man to whom I lent my book didn't return it. Whose is a possessive relative pronoun, used to show ownership. For example, the girl whose bike was stolen was very upset. Moving on to which and that. These relative pronouns are typically used to refer to animals or things. Which is used for non-restrictive clauses, information not crucial to the meaning of the sentence. For example, my dog, which is a Labrador, loves to play fetch. That, on the other hand, is used for restrictive clauses, information essential to the meaning of the sentence. For instance, the book that is on the table is mine. Now that we've learned about relative pronouns, let's practice using them. Try forming your own sentences, choosing the correct relative pronoun for the context. Remember, practice makes perfect. And that's a wrap on relative pronouns, everyone. I hope this video has cleared your doubts and given you a better understanding of this part of English grammar. Stay tuned for more exciting lessons on adjectives and adverbs, and keep practicing. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy learning!